What's good, YouTube? Clocking back in today. We're at the car wash. About to power wash the truck's engine bay. Try to get under there a little bit. I don't know. Maybe I will get under there and spray it chassis a little bit. But hey, truck is looking good. Still trying to decide if I want to sell it or not. I am about to spray it down and maybe put it on the market just to see. I do have the tailgate. 4x4 2003 2500 with the 6.0 174,000 miles. Truck runs strong, man. Runs strong. LED lights, the wrench hand, got the step bars or whatever, Weston step bars. Little body damage here and there. It's a work meal, man. What more could you want? It's tinted. This window could be cleaned up, maybe peeled and retinted. Clean that up a little bit. But other than that, not too bad. If you haven't, go back and watch the previous vlog. All the vlogs, actually. See, my gas hand trips sometimes. Oil pressure, it goes up and down. You know, these cat eyes are notorious for having sensors go wacko on the dashboard. But hey, man, it's here. If you do want this truck, bring me 6. Bring me 6. We'll be listed for 65. You bring me 6, we can talk, man. We can talk. But y'all stay tuned for the aftermath of the wash. After using all my quarters up, the truck is done. Probably doesn't look too much different. Haven't sprayed the tire shine on it or nothing. Tailgate still missing. Didn't really clean out that, but hey, it's looking okay. Not too bad. Like I said, perfect work meal for someone. Thing looks good, man. Looks good.
The next day.
Clocking back in next day. I'm up here working out with Tony Oli. And Noah is in a freaking Hummer EV. This hoe is crazy. Think this hoe got like 1,000 horses? Turn down the music real quick. Oh my. Look at this bitch. This bitch is crazy.
Bro, you know the crazy part is, bro, you hear this hoe start, no sound. That hoe's turned on.
No, nothing. Look at that bitch. This shit is crazy.
I swear to God.
Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, this hoe lie. I wouldn't even put this hoe on.
Bro, I still got to get this bitch insurance registered.
For real?
Yeah, brand new.
Coming back the next day after leaving the gym. About to wash up the big LT1 Nose Bronco 2 Tough. Look at this. This is getting changed to carbon fiber. MBRP, man. Came with a diffuser. I don't know what style rims these are, but need to get center caps for them. About to change my side skirts. Need to do the brake kit on here. You know, these LT1s, man, they're nice, but they miss a few things. A few things they're in need of. But this LT1 in a monster. Dang, I didn't even lock my car, man. Mosquitoes bad. Look at this. Carbon. About to change these to carbon, change this to carbon, then change this to carbon. I wish this mug had the digital dash, but hey, that's what you get when you buy LT1. You like a whole lot of interior features. Ventilated seats, heated seats, ambient lighting right here. This car came with stars, but I don't even know how to work them. I have underglow and everything, and I don't have no apps for it. Let's give y'all a quick start up. Hold on. Look how dirty my freaking windshield is. I need to vacuum this car out. I barely drive it, but hey, the aftermath of the wash. I really didn't go too crazy, but looks all right. I need something done to this front end. I'm not a fan of this front end on this LT1. But that's why you get an SS or a ZL1 if you want to complain. But tint is stupid dark. Posted at Buc-ee's, man. Just filled up. Good old premium. Now I give y'all a little nighttime POV and get up on out of here. Y'all stay tuned. What's good, YouTube? Coming back. Look at that. Look at that. Sounding good, man. Big 6.0. Getting ready to put it on marketplace. I put in these back in. I didn't get to power wash them how I wanted to. But like I said, hey, from what this truck started at, or where this truck started at, it's doing completely better. Besides that squealing from the pulley, this truck is, man, it runs good. Could use a wheel alignment. I don't know if you see that play. A little play in the wheel, man. A little play in the wheel. But, hey, get that front end fixed. Fix that pulley. New tires. You got you a money machine, man. Really think about keeping it. Let's see what offers I can get on the market. Got a few things coming. Maybe next video. I'm not sure how I'm going to end out this vlog. But just know, my dad's donk is done. Currently at the exhaust shop, so waiting for it to get tuned. 6.0 sounds so good and quiet. Besides that freaking pulley, or I don't know what that noise is. I'm really not sure. AC works, all of that, man. Big wrench hand, Weston step bars. It's everything you can want, man. But y'all stay tuned. About to chill. Went in for overtime a little bit today at work, so I'm gonna chill. Maybe go clean up this engine bay a little more, spray it off some more, and maybe go to the shop. Who knows?
Nice you made this one.
Clocking back in. We're in freaking Lubbock now, chilling with Aiden. I don't know where Austin is. I don't even know if y'all can hear me, but hey, it's pretty lit. It's pretty lit. None of that here. What? No joy. Oh yeah? No joy. Hey, this so popping. There's a few baddies.
He out here in the cut, just he out here fucking shit up. You know how he be.
Y'all tune in. I don't know what the fuck I'm about to do.
Then behind the scenes, this what it looked like behind here. Look, we out here fucking with the people. Put your tongue back in your mouth. Just walking around. This our manager. This Nathan, huh? Yeah, that's my boy right there. It's just shit.
For not to be school, man, this hoe is looking decent. Beer house over there. It was lit, but now we came over here to Miguel's. Still chilling, man. Logies or what? I don't know. Hey, this so cool. Come on, man. Come on, man. Come on. This is a nice view. Carbon, carbon, carbon. Man, I love me some carbon. I would love that digital dash, but hey, I love this LT1, man. Great car, great car. Trust me, I know this vlog has been very random. First, we started off with power washing the truck. Went to Jaden Tonioli's. I think I was washing my car. After that, I think I showed the truck again. Then now I'm in Lubbock. About to head back. It's an update on the donk. It's so much stuff has been happening. Random vlog over the past 4 days, 5 days, I'm not even sure. But now headed back. The truck is now posted. 2003 Silverado 2500 4x4, has the 6.0 4L80E. Good truck, man. Could use the alignment, needs tires, will come with extra coils, wires, plugs. Has a muffler delete, or it has maybe a flow master. I'm not sure. The truck sounds good. It does squeak from the power steering, but no, not the power steering. I think it's the pulley. One of those pulleys. I'm not sure. Could use the belt change maybe. Has aftermarket LED lights. Has the bumper guard, the wrench hand, Weston step bars. What else? Has memory seats, heated seats. Everything's all original in there. Not too much changing in the interior, but exterior just bumper guard, side rails. And yeah, man, I mean, 6K or best offer. Or maybe I'll keep it. I'm not sure, man. A lot of stuff's been going on. But I'm getting ready to head back home. I'll give a quick POV because I believe I was at Buc-ee's and I said I was going to do a POV, even do the POV. So I'm going to give y'all a POV, headed back. Y'all stay tuned. Big LT1, man. LT1 is looking good. Oh, my. How is front bumper looking? Not looking too bad. Just gonna have to clean it when I get home. I had washed it, as y'all can see in the previous clips, but still doesn't look too bad. A little hour drive back to Lubbock. 30 bucks in here. Already had gas left, so it'll probably be on full. Not sure. I don't even know how much the gas was. A gallon. Like we're twirling in circles. Come on, man. This car is pretty decent on gas. It took me like a quarter, maybe a little bit over a quarter just to get here. Sports car, big LT1, not bad at all. 6.2. That's a pretty good sized motor, man. That 6.0 though. Hold on, $4. Gosh. Ain't getting no gas. I should put 50. Or maybe I will have gas. Let's see. LT1, man. Big LT1, man. Look at this, man. I need a freaking alignment. And I'm about to go with coilovers, I believe. Coilovers, or maybe just go back with some good racing springs and struts. But that's what I need. That's why I haven't just got the alignment. I need a few little things did to this car, man. Not bad. Still drives good. Didn't put too many miles on it, but